Hello everyone, welcome to our vibrant YouTube channel. Introducing the Waldent V-Lite Pro portable DC X-ray machine, a breakthrough in dental imaging. Say goodbye to bulky equipment and enjoy efficient, high-quality X-ray images that set a new standard in dental care. Exposure tube voltage 60 kV, exposure tube current 2 mA, exposure time 0.01, 0.2 sec. Before we start, let's see what we get in the box. One main unit, one long cone, one short cone, adapter, neck strap, hand strap, and manual. Let's see how to assemble the V-Lite Pro. The V-Lite Pro's 950 mAh rechargeable battery supports about 150 X-rays per full charge, with a charging symbol displayed on screen during charging. Let's explore the overall layout of our V-Lite Pro X-Ray. It has user-friendly interface and intuitive controls ensuring effortless operation. Standby or exposure button. To power on the V-Lite Pro, press the power on or off button. It will beep and the display will turn on. To power off, press the same button again and the beep will signal the shutdown. Press the teeth type selection button. The selection will display the corresponding tooth type symbol on the screen. To select the patient type, press the adult or pedo button and a blue symbol will appear on the screen indicating the chosen body type. Press the up and down button to change the exposure time. Exposure switch connection port. Adapter connection port. Let's define the settings. Press the combination buttons, body type selection button, and up button to enter the setting interface to set modes. The exposure count is the total number of X-ray exposures recorded by the machine since its last reset or initial use. To perform a factory reset, press the patient body selection button, then use the up or down buttons to select yes or no. A factory reset will restore the device to its original manufacturer settings, erasing all user-defined settings and preferences. To adjust the auto-off time, press the patient body selection button, then use the up or down buttons to set the desired time. To adjust sleep time, press the body type selection button in sleep mode and set the time using the up-down buttons. The equipment enters sleep mode. Press any button to wake it up. To exit, press the combination buttons and the body type selection button. Coming on to operating instructions, it is a versatile solution for any shooting situation. Securely hold the device using a hand strap, neck strap, or tripod. Position the sensor parallel to the tooth's long axis for optimal imaging. Press the exposure button to activate the imaging process. Once activated, the exposure ready symbol is displayed on the screen accompanied by an audible beep. Following X-ray capture, the screen switches to display the standby symbol, indicating readiness for subsequent exposures. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and comment for more informative videos.